Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. We will make this beautiful 3D bloom today. Let's go. This is a 3-inch mold. I've taken a total of around 40 grams of resin. I've mixed the resin and hardener nicely until well combined, allowed it to rest until it reached the right consistency. Once it reached that honey-like consistency, I'm pouring around 30 grams of resin into the mold, and I've kept aside 10 grams of resin for my white pigment. Pour the resin into the mold. Use the flame lighter to get rid of the air bubbles. I have mixed the white pigment in the 10 grams of resin and kept that ready too. So if you want to see the detailed video of how I go about this, you can click the link above. I will also put that link in the description box. I've not shown the whole process here because it's the same thing. I follow the same method for all my resin blooms. The video just becomes too lengthy, so you can click the link. Once the bubbles have been popped, I'm going to make the pattern. So today I will be making dashes all across the resin, starting from the outside, going towards the inside. Once the pattern was done, I took a toothpick and dragged it from the outside to the inside across the resin surface in one motion. So I just wanted to see what kind of pattern, what kind of result it would give. Just across the surface, not deep into the resin. Allow the resin to cure completely. We'll come back after 24 hours to demold. It's been 24 hours. Let's demold. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. So what kind of a flower do you think it made? That is the beauty of this resin technique. You don't know what you're going to get. Do try it out and let me know how it goes in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, comment, like and share. I will see you soon in the next one.